Okay, so let me talk a little bit about our GSM kit. I've already shown an intro video during the week. So today we are going to see the various components that make up the kit. So I have two separate kits. This is a new design I'm working on. So using a graphic LCD with a prototype shield that comes with the kit. So, but let me take this one and tear it down. So there's a battery. I'll just pull it out and I'll separate the keypad from the core board so that I can introduce them one by one. So the core board is basically made up of the SoC, which is the A9 chip. SoC stands for System on Chip. They are generally similar to microcontrollers, only that they have much more memory and they have also more advanced peripheral and more powerful processing power. So that's the center of the board. So the A9 chip, which is a SoC, and then we have two other chips. So the one here is the USB chip that basically connects the board to your computer as a serial device to enable you to debug the chip or even have access to the Python interactive prompt. You also have a battery charger there that charges the LiPo battery. That's the battery connector, and then that's the reset button, so you can reset the board. And so this is a 40-pin connector compatible with Raspberry Pi. So Raspberry Pi hats can be connected to this board, and this board can also be a hat on Raspberry Pi where it will serve as a modem. Of course, in order to do that, you have to replace the firmware, the Python firmware here, with the AT commands firmware. So so to update the firmware, there's a connector here, so a 4-pin connector that you can use to update the firmware. I hope to cover that in a future tutorial, how the firmware can be updated. And at the back of the board, you have the SIM card holder where you insert your SIM card. I think we should also make provision for SD card. It's missing right now. There should be a need for a SIM card holder there. And then we have the speaker and then a microphone. So I think that's all we have. So then we go to the keypad. The keypad is a very simple board. So mainly made up of buttons. I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, that's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there are 17 buttons here. So it's connected in a matrix and interface to the pins on this side. And then we have an OLED display. So basically that's it. So all I have to do is to connect it to, this way, to the core board. And once it's connected, I power it by plugging the battery, and I give it a few seconds to come on. And there it is. So basically that's how your phone works, and you can start dialing immediately. So that's your phone board.